What's going on, guys? So I just shot my video explaining why my wastegate did not flutter in my wastegate reaction video and why it flutters now. So if you haven't seen that video, be sure to check it out. But I thought I'd make a video comparing side by side my wastegate fluttering and non-fluttering, just so you could get a comparison. I also want to mention that I have a Grimspeed 3-port electronic boost control solenoid. There are some other brands, and they are not necessarily as good as the Grimspeed or the Cobb. The Company 23 one, I believe, has failed for multiple people, and I would not recommend that. So whenever you buy parts, make sure you buy good parts with good reviews. And with that being said, I'm going to shut up and I'm going to let you listen to the glorious sounds of my external wastegate. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys next time.